Today we're going to review the Amino Company Heal Complex. This is a amino acid complex that's supposed to help in recovery after surgeries and also when you're training. So today's going to be my first day. I just got it. When I open up, I have no idea what it tastes like and what it's going to do. It has a pretty great list of benefits that range from building lean muscle mass, speeding up recovery, improving performance, also recovering after surgeries. Like, really, it sounds really awesome, but what it's going to do? We're going to find out in 30 days. So this supply should last me for 30 days to take a daily. So it says to take 2 to 3 scoops twice daily. Oh, that's for surgery. Recovery, it says or injury recovery, to take 2 or 3 scoops daily. So since I don't really need surgery recovery, for me it's more fitness related. For those reasons, it's 1 scoop with 8 ounces of cold water or your favorite beverage. Let's see what it's all about. So let's open up this guy. The flavor that I got is sour apple. It's all natural flavor, which is nice. I don't like adding a bunch of junk in my body. Okay, we're all protected here, sealed up. Let's see if we can get into this thing. There we go. Alright. Doesn't really have a lot of smell to it. Kind of looks a little grayish, greenish. So green apple, I guess that's what it's supposed to be like. Let's get this little scoop out. Oh, there we go. So we have a glass of water, about 8 ounces, I guess, somewhere close to it. Let's put it in and see what it tastes like at first. How palatable it is. There we go, we're mixing it in. Kind of looks turquoise-ish. It starts to smell like sour apple. Kind of reminds me of like Sour Patch or something like that. I haven't had it in a long time. Okay, here we go. There's still some pieces that kind of floating around. Let's see if it's too greedy or not. It's sweet. It definitely has some kind of sweetener. Maybe stevia. Inulin. It has inulin, spirulina extract for the color. Tastes pretty good, just kind of a little sweet drink. Nothing great, but nothing bad either. You can just drink it very easily, this whole thing. So now we're gonna drink this and drink the same amount for 30 days, and I'll be back with you to let you know what it all did for me. So it's been 30 days since I tried the Heal formula from Amino Company. Honestly, I did not know what to expect when I was coming into this trial, just to test it out, but I was super pleased with the results. Here were the claims that I wanted to check out: whether it's going to improve my performance, whether it's going to help me heal faster, and if it's going to help me gain some lean muscle mass. After 30 days of taking the Heal formula, I noticed both my husband and I were taking it. So for him, the great part was that he gained about 1 or 2 pounds of lean muscle mass, and he's been at a plateau for the weight gain for a while. We've been going to the gym 3-4 times a week, and that taking this formula consistently on a daily basis has really boosted him up for that. We both also noticed that we were able to work out harder at the gym without injuring ourselves. We had more energy. We're able to lift higher weights. We had more endurance during our runs and things like that. So that was really awesome. We probably started noticing those differences about 2.5 weeks into it, and definitely felt it more at the end of this 30-day trial. So one of the claims of the Heal formula was that it helps you to recover from injuries. Thankfully, my husband and I didn't have any injuries to recover from, but we did feel that we have we're able to recover between the workouts faster and regain our strength and things like that, so that we can push harder during the next workout. Some of the things that we noticed also, that as far as taking this supplement, the amino acids, was that really for us the best way was to add it to our protein shake or to our smoothies, morning smoothies, smoothie bowls, things like that. You can easily take it on its own with water and with ice. For me, I prefer it. Overall, it was a really great experience. I really look forward to using it more and seeing more gains from this product. If you guys would like to check it out for yourself, I have a 30% off discount code for all of you guys to use. It's SF30, Sphere Fitness 30, and you can find it in the description below with the link to purchase your own healed formula from Amino Company. Hope you guys are going to give it a try. Feel free to leave comments below with any questions, or if you want to share your feedback about how you felt after taking this formula. See you guys soon!